Hey guys, welcome back. I am Nisha. It's Eid time, and moreover, Raksha Bandhan is also just around the corner. So, thought of creating this full makeup tutorial for you all. It's a complete Indian festive look, and trust me, guys, this look is super easy to achieve. Moreover, I have used all drugstore products to achieve this look, and all the products that I've used in this look are easily available on Nykaa. And for your convenience, I have listed down all the products that I've used for this look in the description box below along with their links, so you can easily purchase them from those links too. So please go and check it out. I hope you will like this look, and before we enter into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And for other updates and posts from me, you can follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Links are given in the description box again. And now, without further ado, let's jump into the video and let's begin. I've already moisturized my skin and I'm taking the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer to prime my skin today. And I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, on my forehead and nose to create a smooth canvas for my foundation. Then I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Liquid Foundation and I'm going to add a drop of Master Strobing Cream from Maybelline, and I'm going to mix them both on back of my hand, and then with my beauty blender I'm going to directly apply it all over my face and neck. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal Peach Corrector and Concealer to correct my under eye dark circles. So first I'm going to take my peach corrector and apply it under my eyes and over my lids to color correct my dark circles and remove the discolorations of my skin and over my lids. And then with a mini beauty blender, I'm going to slowly blend that all out. And this step is completely optional. If you do not require to color correct, then you might just skip off this step and then directly move to concealer. Now I'm going to take my concealer and apply it under my eyes and over my lids to even out the peach corrector and also to highlight my under eye area. Now again with the same small beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything out. Now again I'm going to take my beauty blender and dab out around my face to get that seamless finish. Next I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set and bake my under eyes. To set rest of my face, I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder and I am applying it with the help of a powder brush. For my eyebrows, I am taking the Lakme Absolute Kareena Kapoor Khan Collection Eyebrow Pencil. It's no more available right now, so you can use any other eyebrow pencil because I didn't have any other than this in drugstore. And I'm quickly going to now fill up my brows and shape them, and I'm going to do my left eyebrows off camera. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat brush and I'm going to shape and define my eyebrows. So now done with the base makeup, and now I am moving to my eyeshadows, and for which I will be using Makeup Revolution I Heart Chocolate Rose Gold palette. It has beautiful shades of shimmers as well as matte, and this palette has absolutely the perfect shades to create any festive look. So first of all, I'm going to blend out the creases on my eyelids, and then I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. And from the palette, I'm just picking up this dusky pink shade, and I'm going to apply it straight on my crease, and I'm going to blend it on my crease as well as slightly above it. Now I'm going to pick up this shimmery greenish black shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid, that is in the form of V. I'm just creating a V slowly and steadily with my brush, and the brush that I'm using right here is PAC 345 brush. This is a beautiful black shadow with golden shimmers in it, and it's so easy to build this shadow. And here I'm going to intensify this eyeshadow on the outer edge to get that smoky effect. Next, I'm picking up this shimmery greenish golden shade from the palette, and I'm going to blend it with the inner edges of the black shadow on my lid to create a gradation. Now again, I'm taking the same black shadow and I'm applying it on the outer V. Then I'm taking this peachy golden shimmery shade and I'm applying it from the inner corner of my lid to the center of my lid. I'm also going to blend this eyeshadow with the previous golden eyeshadow. Now I'm applying this eyeshadow with my finger so that I can get more intensity of this color. Then I'm going to dust off some of the fallouts there. Now again I am picking up this dirty pink shade on my PAC 204 blending brush to blend out all shadows on my crease. Now I'm taking the shimmery black shade and applying it on my lower lash line from outer corner to the center. Next I'm taking the Lakme Absolute Kohl Kajal and I'm applying it in my waterline. Now again I'm taking the dirty pink shade on PAC 383 brush and I'm placing it on my lower lash line and then smudging it. Now I'm picking up the golden shadow and applying it in my inner lower lash line. Now I'm taking this highlighting shade from the palette and I'm applying it in my inner corners and on the brow bones. For eyeliner, I am taking the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, and it is one of my favorite eyeliner to work with, and I'm going to precisely make a thin small winged eyeliner. Now I am going to take the Makeup Revolution Pressed Glitter Palette in Abracadabra. It has beautiful 9 glitter shades and we do not need to apply any glue. And I am taking the shade called Fortune Teller and with a flat brush I am applying it on my inner lid to the center. This glitter shadow has peach, golden and few more mixed glitters and it's really beautiful. If you don't want much glitter, you can simply apply just one coat and done. But I'm applying one more coat of glitter to get more glittery look. And now with a clean flat blending brush, I'm going to dust off the excess of glitters on my eyelashes and on my eyeliner. So here's the complete eye look. And now moving to the face. For contouring my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer and the brush that I'm using is the PAC 368 brush. For contouring my nose, I'm using the Nykaa concealer brush. And then I'm going to blend the nose contour with Pro Arte PF14 brush. Now again I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder to cut the contour. And now with the same powder brush, I'm going to dust the excess off. For blush, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. Now for highlighting, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminating Highlighter, and for highlighting my face I am using my PAC 245 brush. Now for setting my face, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. And finally for my lips, I will be applying my NYX Professional Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Puppy Love. So done with my makeup, and I'll be right back after applying my eyelashes and completing my dress up. So that's the final look, you guys, with the Indian dress up and the Indian jewelry. I hope you guys like the look and enjoyed the video. And if you did like my video, then please hit the like button and also mention me in the comment. Please share your experience if you recreate this look in the comment section below, and do let me know if you want me to create any video of your choice, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's all for this look. See you again with a brand new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, love you all, bye.